How to fix wrong credentials entered in your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, make sure you have actually entered the correct credential. Make sure your caps is turned off, and after that, if the problem still does not fix, go to your start menu, go to settings, go to network and internet. After that, scroll down and then go to advanced network setting. Scroll down and then go to network reset and then reset your network. After that, go to your start menu again. Search for device manager and then search for network adapters. Now, right click on your Wi-Fi, update driver. Make sure you have the best driver already updated. And also, if you are using LAN or any Ethernet, update it as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.